Your car could be costing you hundreds of shillings every year without you even realizing it. Today, we're revealing 7 car maintenance tips every owner must know to save money and keep their car running like new. Tip 1. Always check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and wear out faster. Keeping them at the correct pressure saves money and improves safety. Tip 2. Change your engine oil and filter. The oil lubricates the engine's internal components. Fresh oil reduces engine friction between moving parts. Reduced friction allows the engine to run smoothly. Efficient lubrication is crucial for optimal engine performance, and it prevents costly repairs. Tip 3. Inspect your air filter. A clean air filter ensures efficient airflow into the engine. Dirty filters restrict airflow, reducing engine performance. Optimal air intake is essential for engine combustion efficiency. Regular filter replacement maintains engine health and power. Tip 4. Check your brakes regularly. Reduced pad thickness increases stopping distances. Regular inspection is crucial for safety and performance. A dashboard warning light indicates brake pads have worn beyond a safe level. This light signals the urgent need to replace the brake pads. Replacing worn brake pads restores optimal braking performance. New brake pads ensure the vehicle's braking system functions correctly. Once replaced, the dashboard warning light should turn off. The light turning off confirms the brake pad wear system is working. Tip 5. Keep your car battery healthy. Use a wire brush to remove corrosion from terminals and posts. A terminal cleaning tool can also effectively remove corrosion. Wipe the terminals with a clean cloth to ensure a good connection. Set a multimeter to the DC voltage setting to check battery voltage. Connect the multimeter's red lead to the battery's positive terminal. Connect the black lead to the battery's negative terminal. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts on the multimeter. Tip 6. Monitor all your car's fluids. Maintaining coolant, brake fluid, and washer fluid is vital for vehicle safety. Optimal fluid levels ensure efficient operation and prevent potential damage. Green dashboard icons indicate proper fluid levels and system function. Regular checks and refills prevent hazardous driving conditions. Lastly, wash your car regularly and protect the underbody from rust. Soap is used to loosen and remove dirt, grime, and other surface contaminants. Thorough cleaning prevents damage to paint and underlying metal. A high-pressure sprayer removes road, salt, and debris. This cleaning prevents rust by eliminating corrosive substances. A clean, protected car lasts longer and maintains its resale value. Follow these 7 tips and watch your car last longer while saving money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more car maintenance tips.